Mm. Hi all. In this video we will see how to write a variable file in Terraform. So for that I am using a small code which launched EC2 instance in AWS. So here in the resource block I am using AMI and instance type. For these two values I am defining variables. So to create a variable file, the file name should be variables.tf. Then only it will consider as variables. So inside the variables block we need to define variable block, variable as a block name, and this is the name of the variable. Inside the block like variable we have some parameters like what type the variable is and description, small description about how what is the variable is for, why do we use this variable. So small description about the variable and AMI ID, and we have some default. Here we define default value of our variable. What it does is whenever there is no variable which we have provided by files or by environment variables, if we don't provide these variables by using file or environment variables, then this value will be taken by default. I am giving it as some ID. So I will leave this type empty, just to give the type as string, and there will be no default. Let's see what will happen if there is no default value. And coming back to main.tf, we have defined var.ami, and for the instance type we have defined var.type. So what does this AMI means and what does this type means? So var dot in the sense variable file, and AMI is the variable name. If you go to our variables file, here we define variable name AMI and the other is type. So it will be the same like variable.ami. AMI will be the name of the variable block, and same here variable type will be the name of our variable, and we defined our parameters inside this block. So let's run Terraform plan. So now it will ask for value of type, variable type. Okay, sorry. I didn't save the file, so it's shown an error. So here it will ask for the value of type for type. So I will give it as T2 nano, and the AMI ID is taken by default. So if you see here, this is the default value and it has taken by default. So if I remove this value and if I go for Terraform plan again, it will ask for AMI ID as well as instance type. So instead of passing the parameters from the command line, what we do is we will export these values to we use environment variables, and there are some precedings like first env variables, second terraform file .tf vars, third we have some .auto.tf vars, and fourth we have some .tf vars file. So let's see what this means and all in next video. For now we will concentrate on how to create a variable file. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.